This is a one owner 2018 Subaru Outback 3.6R. AutoCheck gives the score a 94 out of 92 and has no accidents or damage reported. There are 6 cylinders and 3.6 liters. You can view the AutoCheck report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. Zoom in so you can see the rims and the tread on the tires. Go inside. The interior is black. There are no holes or stains anywhere. My cute little girl was helping me at work today. And then you've got heated seats, as well as USB ports for your rear passengers. Okay. You have dual power seats. This is where your backup camera is, as well as you've got navigation, you pair your phone, you've got dual climate control. You've got USB auxiliary and 12-volt ports in there. And driving modes. There are no caution or warning lights on. You got lane departure warning, collision. Blind spot monitoring, power locks, power windows, and seat memory, as well as a sunroof. We have beautiful blue skies today and a little bit before we get this nice snowstorm that's headed our way. If you're looking for a Subaru Outback, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this out for a test drive. We're located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away with a smile. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock.